Alright, so welcome back. I'm Arnovino and you're watching the Pinoy Screencast, and this is the tutorial on how to root the Omega HD 2.0. So this is the quad-core version of the Omega HD version 1, and they have upgraded it. So we will be rooting this, and let's get it on. So this is the Omega HD 2.0, and as you can see, wala pa dito yung ating Super SU or Super User na app. So it means hindi pa rooted yung ating phone. So first, we need to activate the developers option sa ating phone. So you will notice na medyo iba yung interface ito kasi it is running on the 4.2 na Jelly Bean na Android. So what we're going to need is to swipe down sa top, and you will see na merong icon dyan sa upper right, and click that. And magkakaroon ng dalawang icon, and then click the first icon. So now, when you swipe down, you will notice na meron ako ditong developers option. So to activate that, or para lumabas yan, is you need to go to the about phone. All you need to do is just click the build number 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sa akin lumalabas, no need, you are already a developer. So kung sakaling sa inyo wala pa yan, maglalabas yan is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So nagka-countdown siya, and when you go back, nalabas na yung developers option. So now, click this one, and you will also need to check the USB debugging. Back nyo lang, and then go to the security, and you also need to check the unknown sources. So para makapag-install tayo ng mga unsigned apps. Alright, so now, you're ready to proceed on the next step. So next is you need to download the files that we're going to need. So go to the description box of this video, and click the file there that you're going to download, and once na-download nyo yun, extract nyo yun, and you will see these 5 files. So now what you're going to do is you need first to install the driver. So now we're going to plug the phone on the USB. So here I'm going to plug my phone sa USB. If you're running on a Windows 8, you need to unsign the driver first. So if you don't know on how to unsign the driver, I have a separate tutorial on how to do that here on Pinoy Screencast. Just look for the unsigned driver, or you can visit my blog at pinoyscreencast.net. Meron akong written article on how to do that. So if you're running on a Windows 7 or lower version, you will have no problem on installing the driver. So you can just proceed as is on this next step. So here on my device manager on Windows 8, you will notice na meron akong other devices, and that is the H120. And yan yung ating phone na na-detect. So as you can see, hindi pa na-install yung driver. So what we're going to do is just right-click, and then update driver software. Click nyo yung browse my computer for driver software, and then let me pick from a list of devices. So pwede yung piliin yung show all devices or Android phone kung sakali. So I'll just choose the all devices, and then next, and click the have disk. And hanapin nyo ngayon yung driver na dinownload natin kanina. So these are the files, and you will notice na dinownload natin kanina is yung OHD 2.0 USB driver. And click that, and look for the android_winusb.inf. Click nyo lang yan, and then press OK. And magpa-pop up yung tatlong driver dyan. So just click the Android ADB interface, and click next. And magpo-prompt again, just click yes. So now, it has successfully installed the driver. You can now proceed on the next step, which is by opening the SP Flash tool, and look for the flash tool.exe. Right click, and then run as administrator. So next is you need to click the scatter loading, and click nyo yung MT6589 Android scatter EMMC.text. So click nyo lang yan, and magpa-prompt to. So dito walang lalabas na location dahil wala naman tayong dinownload na other files. So just click the recovery, and then click the name ng recovery, and look for the H120 na recovery, which is this is the CWMR. Just double click that, and once na nag-load yan dyan, you can now turn off your phone. So this one, I'll plug it out sa aking USB, and just turn it off, so I can just remove the battery. So next is you need to click the download, and click nyo lang yung yes, and now you need to plug the USB and then the battery. So just wait for the yellow bar na matapos dito, and may lalabas na color green. So it means na na-install nyo yung CWMR successfully. So close this first. So now we can boot our phone sa ating CWMR by pressing the volume up and then power na sabay. So there, as you can see, nag-boot siya, and makikita nyo na ang name niya is Ruwa CWMR So now, what we're going to do is plug nyo yung USB again. Open nyo yung MTK Droid tools. And now, all you need to do is just right-click the MTK Droid tools.exe and run as administrator. So here, once na in-open nyo yung Droid root and tools, makikita nyo na merong neon blue na color dito. So it means na-detect niya yung ating recovery mode. So all we need to do is just go to root backup recovery, click the super user, and here you will see na papipiliin kayo kung super SU or super user. So based on experience, ang nag-work sa akin is super SU. So go click that and just wait for it to finish yung installation niya. So once the task is completed, all you need to do is just reboot and reboot to normal mode. So here, makita nyo na Android is upgrading sa phone. So it means na nag-root siya successfully. So we will double check it kung talagang na-root siya, and by clicking the menu and going back to the super SU here. So ito yung in-install niya. And here, kapag mayroong nag-prompt na the SU binary needs to be updated, so click nyo yung continue and install it normal mode. So there, once na install successfully, we can now check via the root checker. So next is we're just going to download the root checker para makita natin kung talagang na-root na yung phone natin. Alright, so here, once na na-download yung root checker, just agree on the disclaimer, just press OK, and let's check yung root access. So as you can see, nag-prompt yung ating super user, and you can just ask again or uncheck that and then grant. So there, as you can see, congratulations, this device has root access. So as easy as that, guys, na-root nyo na yung inyong Cherry Mobile Omega HD. So if you have questions or if you're having trouble on rooting your phone, don't hesitate to leave a comment or message me on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/PinoyScreencast, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/PinoyScreencast. Follow me on Twitter at PinoyScreencast, and again, don't forget to like this video or even share it to your friends that might benefit on this video. Alright, so this is Arnovino, and see you on my next screencast. Just click install, and then here makikita nyo nasa SD card 2 ako. So kailangan ko lumipat. So up here, and then go to SD card kung sakaling sa SD card nyo